Hello students, so this is our question of mean class 10th statistics. Mean of the numbers 6, y, 7, x and 14 is 8. When the mean is given over here as 8, so we have to express y in terms of 8. These are the observations in which y and x are present. So we have to express y in terms of 8. We'll apply the formula. What is the formula for mean? Of raw data, this is raw data, so formula for raw data of mean is equal to sum of observation upon number of observation. So sum of observation means we have to add all the observation which is given, 6 plus y plus 7 plus x plus 14 upon 5, because the number of observation was 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, mean was given, so put the value of mean upon 5. So this 5 will be multiplied with 8 because it will be transferred from right to left hand side. Okay, over here it was in division form, here it will be in multiplication form, it will be cross multiplied. So 8 5s is 40. We will add the numbers, 6 plus 7 plus 14 will be 27 plus x plus y. 8 5s are 40 is equal to 27 plus x plus y. Now this 27 will be transferred from left to right to left. This was positive, it will become into negative, it will convert into negative. So 40 minus 27 is equals x plus y. So in terms of x we have to represent y, in terms of x we have to represent y. Okay, so it will be 13 is equal to x plus y. Now in terms of x, y will be x minus 13, because this 13 will be transferred from left to right, it will become negative. So this is our answer for this question. Thank you.